5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Long one right, 80. Danger, 4 left down, watch it. Watch the 4 left down. 4 left down, watch it. And 2 right, 40. And a tight 4 right. 4 right. And 2 left. And 1 left. 130, short 4 right. Short 4 right here. 2 left and a flat 2 right. Into crest, 60 slippy, square right, don't cut. Square right, don't cut. Into 5 left. Into a 5 left. And 2 left. 150. Care over crest into a slippy 4 left. Slippy 4 left. Slippy 4 left. And a long 3 left. Long 3 left and a long 2 left over crest. Into 2 right, continues over crest. It's tight, 2 right continues over crest and 2 left over bump. 2 left over the bump. And slow, 2 right over crest, watch your braking. 40 now to square right, don't cut. Square right, don't cut. 60 over. 4 left over gravel. And 4 left slippy. Into 1, 4 left slippy into 1 right. And crest. Into caution, 3 right over crest. And short 4 left. 40 out of it. What's this? 2 right over crest, 60 bumpy. And tight 3 right slippy. 60, 4 right in the lane, 4 right in the lane. 100 down the middle. Long 5 left, slippy. Long 5 left here, slippy. Watch it. It's a very short 5 right over the bridge. Short 5 right over the bridge and 5 right again. 5 right again. And a short 5 left. Into a short 5 right. Into short 5 right. And a 5 left again. And a flat 2 right. 60. Care long 3 right, it dips. Through the crossroads, dips through the crossroads. And 3 left, and long 2 left. Long 2 left, and 1 left over crest, and long 2 left. And care 1 right into 4 right. 1 right into 4 right. And long 2 left, 100. Long 2 left, 100. And 3 left over gravel. 3 left over gravel. 80 out of it, square left. 80 out, square left. No escape. And 5 right. 40. Square left at the wall, don't cut. 40 out of it. 2 left. And 2 left again. And 2 left again. 60 and 3 left at the fence. Long 4 right, don't cut. 80. 2 right, and caution over crest into tight 3 left of the house. Watch the 3 left of the house. And tight 3 right into 3 right again. And short 5 left, don't cut. 40 after it. 2 left. Into 1 left over crest. And a fast long right. Fast 1 right. And a fast 2 left. 100 after it. And a short 4 right. Keep your line. Keep your line. Short 4 right. Care 2 left into short 4 right slippy. Short 4 right slippy and 1 left. 60 out of it. Late 3 left. A late 3 left. Into a fast 1 right 100. And 2 right over crest. 2 right over the crest. Into crest and bump and fast 4 left after the pole. Fast 4 left after the pole. 60. 1 right 100. Chicane right entry 4 bales. And a fast 4 right at the wall then keep in. Fast 4 right keep in. 80 and square right it opens. Square right it opens out. 250 after it. Then here's your unseen hairpin right. Your unseen hairpin right is down here. Here. Hairpin right. And 1 left. 150 up the middle. Watch the grass. It narrows. Keep left on the crest. It's flat. Keep left on the crest into a 1 right flat. 100 flat. Crest and flat crest past the farm. Go on, keep right. Past the farm. Keep right. 250. Square left at the yellow wire. Remember it. Square left at the yellow wire. No escape. 300 down out of it. Watch the grass in the middle. And he was slippy 5 right down here. Watch the braking on it. A slippy 5 right. Slippy 5 right. 100 after it. 100 and then 5 left. Don't cut at the wall. 5 left. Don't cut. Into 1 right over bridge. Jump baby. Into 1 left. And 2 left and long 3 left over crest. You 2 left and 3 left over crest, 80. And then 3 left at the pole. 3 left at the pole. And 3 right. Into a 4 left. Into 4 left, watch the 4. 2 right, 60 and 4 right again. 4 right here. 40 after it. Long crest, 80. And then 5 right at the edge. Watch the 5 right is narrow. 5 right at the edge into a 3 left. And a fast 4 right. A fast 4 right, 80 after it. And then 4 left at the pole. 4 left at the pole. And 40. And long 3 right. Long 3 right. And 2 left. And 60 after it. 1 right. Danger over long crest. And a 5 right at the hedge. 5 right at the hedge. Then a 5 left past the junction. Small cut. 5 left. 100. Flat 2 left. Into a fast 3 left. And danger right on crest. Big jump maybe. Care 4 left. Don't cut. 4 left. Don't cut. Care tight 3 right. Tight 3 right. 100. And a short 4 left. Short 4 left. And 1 right on crest. 150 down. Turn 5 left. 5 left at the gravel. 5 left at the, might be gravel on it. 100 after, use the road. Square right. Square right, it's fairly open. 300 down the middle, go out of it. Then you have a narrow 3 right down here. Narrow 3 right. Narrow 3 here, 3 right. And 2 left, 60. And 3 right. 3 right, 100 after it. 2 right over crest and caution, slow. 2 left into 4 left at the house. 2 left into 4 left at the house. And 60. Long 2 right into a fast 3 right. Long 2 right into a fast 3 right, 60. And 3 left, it might be slippy. 3 left, it might be slippy. And 2 right and 4 left narrows. 60 after it. 1 right, 40. And a very long 4 right at the gate. Very long 4 right, it goes around. 170 after it. And then a 4 left, don't cut. 4 left, don't cut. Don't cut it. 100. 3 left, 80. And then a 5 right, use the road up here on the 5 right. 5 right. Keep in and use the road. 80 after it. And a fast 3 left. Fast 3 left, 130. And 3 left again. 3 left again and a tight 3 right over the finish. Tight 3 right over the finish.